Ever wondered how to create videos and chat with Invideo? Well, the process is straightforward, and anyone can master it in no time. Today, we will walk you through the 7 steps involved in creating videos with Invideo. Firstly, decide on the type of video you want to create. This could be anything from a short promo video to a lengthy documentary. Your choice will determine the features you'll use and the style of your video. Make this decision based on your target audience and the message you wish to communicate. Next, start by opening the Invideo application. It's user-friendly and has an intuitive interface. If it's your first time, don't worry, you'll feel right at home. Navigate through the dashboard, familiarize yourself with the tools and settings. Take your time, there's no rush. The third step involves selecting a template. Invideo has an array of preset templates for different video types. Browse through them and choose one that aligns with your video idea. The templates are customizable, so you can tweak them to suit your style. Now it's time to input your content. This could be text, images, or even a pre-recorded video. Simply click on the Add Content button and select the type of content you want to add. Remember, your content should be engaging and relevant to your audience. The fifth step is to edit your video. Invideo provides a range of editing tools, including transition effects, filters, and text effects. Play around with these tools and make your video as engaging as possible. But remember, less is often more. Don't overdo it. Once you're satisfied with your video, preview it. This is your chance to spot any errors or areas that need improvement. Watch the video from start to finish, and if there's anything you're not happy with, go back and make the necessary adjustments. Lastly, once you're happy with your creation, export it. Click on the Export button and select your preferred video format. Invideo will process your video and provide a downloadable link. And voila, you now have a video created in chat with Invideo. In summary, creating videos with Invideo involves deciding on the type of video, opening the application, selecting a template, adding content, editing, previewing, and finally exporting your video. It's that simple and straightforward. With Invideo, creating videos has never been easier. No matter your video creation needs, Invideo has got you covered. Now go forth and create amazing videos.